Hi there, Kristen Galloway, occupational therapist. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of my favorite rolling walker for tall individuals. So this is the Hugo rolling walker. Comes in right around $110, which I love because it's a terrific price point for a rolling walker for a tall individual. Some of them are upwards of $200, $250. This one has a nice price point. It's very easy to put together and it's very sturdy. Those are the three reasons that I like it. The biggest selling point though is that it's suitable for individuals up to 6 feet 3 inches tall, while many of the other rolling walkers on the market are only suitable for individuals up to about 5'6" or 5'7". So this one is for taller individuals and is, like I said, very sturdy and an excellent price point. And as you'll see, very easy to put together. So let's dive right in. I have simply taken the walker frame and all of the pieces out of the box. It all comes laying flat inside of this box, folded down just like this. And I simply remove the bubble wrap from the legs, the backrest, and you can see the hardware packet here. There are just a few simple pieces and it's very easy to kind of slide the pieces all together. So I like to open the frame up to do this, and you simply release this red button on the far side of the walker here. We're going to pull that out and open the frame like so. Makes it a little easier to get the legs on. So I've got the frame open. I'm going to pull these crossbars down. You can do that, lock it in place now, or you can wait to do it later. So you can see the handlebars and the rear wheels here are attached by this brake wire. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the protective cap on this leg. I'm going to squeeze these pins, making sure that the wheel is on the outside and the brake wire is not wrapped around the frame in any way. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze these pins and slide this into the frame until it snaps into place. Again, my brake wire is free, my wheel is on the outside of the walker. And we'll do the exact same thing on the other side of the walker. Remove this protective cap, set it aside, make sure that the brake wire is not twisted, the wheel is facing the outside of the walker, squeeze the pins, and slide the leg into the frame until it snaps into place. The next thing is to get two of these, what they call E-clips. They slide directly into the frame with this pin. And making sure the brake wire is out of the way, and we're simply going to snap that into place. Same thing on the other side, slide it directly through the frame. Make sure the brake wire is out of the way and snap that into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the walker over onto its side so that you can see how I put the front wheels on. Again, I'm going to remove this protective cap and I'm going to simply depress these pins and slide the leg into the walker until it snaps into place. I'll do the same thing on the bottom. Remove the protective cap, depress the pins, and slide the leg into place until it snaps. There we go. This one's got to go a little bit higher. There we go. All right. So again, two more E-clips, just like we did on the back legs. We're going to do this on the front legs. Slide this directly through the frame and snap into place. It's almost like a C-clamp. They call it an E-clip. There we go. Same thing here on the bottom. Slide it into place through the frame and snap. There we go. All right. The last couple of steps are pretty simple. Again, we're going to stand this walker up, and I'm going to make sure now that it's fully opened. So again, if you haven't already done so, pull the red pin on the side and pull the frame apart. Push these crossbars down on the side so that they lock into place. And you can fold the seat down flat at this point. So I'm going to take this handlebar on this side, again, making sure that my brake wire isn't tangled around or wrapped around the frame in any way, and I'm simply going to slide the handlebar in and down. Same thing on the other side. Slide it in and down. And then we will bring the backrest, make sure the logo is facing forward. I'm going to slide the backrest into the frame. And again, I'm going to depress the pins on the side here until it slides down and clicks into place. Same thing on the other side. Depress the pin. There we go, clicks into place. Alrighty, and the last thing that we have to do is adjust the height of the handlebars. So you will need the person who is going to be using the walker to come and stand inside of the walker frame, and you will also need these screws that kind of lock the handlebars into place. So the person standing inside the frame is going to drop their arm down by their side. So you can see that this handlebar is right at the height of my wrist where it bends. We call it the wrist crease because your skin kind of wrinkles up a little bit there when you bend it. That's exactly the height that we want this walker to be for the person who's going to be using it. So for me, this is perfect. It's down at its lowest height. But if you needed to adjust it higher, you'd simply pull the handlebar out until it's at the appropriate height. And then we're going to turn this pin, stick it in the hole and turn it until it is snug. You don't need to use any tools for this. We're simply going to hand tighten this screw with the handlebar adjusted to the appropriate height, and we will do the same thing on the other side. Again, measure for the person who is going to be using the walker. Turn this so you can see, and I'm simply going to put this screw into the frame and twist it until it's hand tight. And there you go, it is fully assembled and ready to use. I hope you found this assembly video helpful. You can find the link to purchase this item on Amazon in the description of this video if you would like to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and again, I hope you found this useful.